Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Notifications. Then tap on App Settings and click on Most Recent. Following that, pick one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent. Now you need to select one of your apps and click on the switcher next to it, like Gmail. All notifications from Gmail are now turned off. In order to turn them back on, click on the switcher again. You can also tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!